Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing wonderful, amazing, safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. This is your extended love reading for January 2021. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Okay, thank you so much for supporting my channel, for giving me beautiful messages, for commenting on my messages on my video. I'm glad that I help you out in some manner. Please check your sunshine, moonshine and Venus sign. I hope it resonates with you, but if it doesn't resonate with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius, and take whatever is resonating according to your situation and according to your condition, and leave the rest. Okay, so let's start your extended love reading. I already uploaded your main reading. You can have a look on that too, and I have already uploaded messages which I was getting for you. That is not the love messages, that are the specific messages for Aquarius collectively, for you only. So you can have a look on that video too. So what are the energies for you here today is, Aquarius, you are coming towards the calmer waters. Okay, you're coming towards the calmer waters here. The Six of Swords is here. Maybe there are some conflicts around you. Okay, maybe there are some conflicts around you, but you're getting success, recognition and victory. Okay, and there is someone around you who will either message you and will come towards an offer, or saying that sorry my Aquarius, or saying apology towards you, and they are coming towards you to offer the cup, to offer their cup to you. Okay, because here I'm having King of Cup and Page of Cup, and cup is not empty, there is a fish here in the cup. Okay, so this is someone who is emotionally stable, who know how to balance the emotions, who wants to share the emotions with you. Okay, and I'm having Queen of Cup and King of Cup. So this is the power couple here. You are dealing with your divine counterpart, and they are coming towards you, Aquarius. You are keeping your temperance, you're keeping your you're doing your inner work, you are taking the energy of Hermit, and you are manifesting something here. There is a Magician, there is Hermit, there is Temperance. Maybe right now, Aquarius, you are having lots of options to choose. Maybe you are exploring your options. Maybe there are a lot of options and you are unable to make a decision, but you are manifesting something. You are manifesting your twin flame, your soulmate, the life partner, soulmate in your life, and some kind of judgment is taking place in your life here, which is being made by the divine, or some of you Aquarius are taking a judgment of your life, but this is the divine judgment which is happening for you. There is someone around you who is coming towards you for sure. There is a lot of cup energy, lot of emotions. They are coming towards you to offer you 10 of Pentacles. Okay, this is Knight of Cup and 10 of Pentacles. This is someone who is very loyal, stable and very romantic, Aquarius, and they want to give you 10 of Pentacles here, abundance of everything. So let's start your clarification here. Clarify me, King of Swords, Sun, 8 of Swords and 4 of Pentacle here. So you are holding back a lot, Aquarius. You're keeping your temperance. Again, there is bottom of the deck, I'm having the Temperance here. You're keeping your patience because you are unable to make a decision. 2 of Swords is here. So you are unable to make a decision. Basically, you are keeping your patience and you are holding back a lot here. You are feeling stuck, restricted. Okay, and you know this truth about yourself. This is here, the King of Swords is someone who knows the truth, and you know this, that you are feeling restricted, stuck, you are unable to move in a forward direction. Okay, you are holding back a lot. Okay, you are holding so tightly on something towards your chest, which you maybe you are not allowing to let go of something which you need to let go. But there is Sun card here. Can you see? There are new happy beginnings which are coming for you here, and in the main reading also I got the Sun from my oracle card here. I can show you that this is the happy new beginnings which are coming for you in your life, Aquarius. This is the happiest card in the tarot deck. So new happy beginnings are going to happen for you. Can you clarify me, King of Cups, Clarify me, King of Cups. Okay, see, beautiful. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Two of Cup. Two of Cup and Six of Wands again. Wow. Maybe there are some fighting, drama, arguments going on around you, but do not worry, you will get success, recognition, victory in achieving your Two of Cups. And here I'm having King of Cup and Queen of Cup. Let me tell you more. Before that, I have to explain this. Okay. Again, I told you that you are feeling like an hangman, Aquarius. You are not accepting a cup from someone around you and you are walking away from someone. Hangman, Four of Cups, Five of Swords, and again Eight of Cups is here. You are walking away from someone in search of, because there were some conflicts around you. You are not ready to accept a cup from someone. You are feeling like an hangman and you're walking away from someone in search of your Nine of Cups, your wish fulfillment. And because here I'm having King of Pentacles, Nine of Swords, King of Cups, and Ten of Cups here. They are offering you beautiful things, Aquarius. They are offering you beautiful things. They want to achieve Ten of Cups, Ten of Pentacles with you. Here, happy family, happy life, happily ever after. Here I'm having Ten of Cups here with the King of Cups. Maybe they are unable to sleep at night. Nine of Swords is here. They are unable to sleep at night here. They are spending sleepless nights too, because this is your divine counterpart. But now they're coming towards you, Aquarius, to give you beautiful things. Beautiful things they are going to give you. Clarify me, Knight of Cup. Clarify me, Knight of Cup. Page of Cup, the Fool, and the Devil. Clarify more. Knight of Cup. Seven of Cups, Two of Pentacles, Ace of Cups, Seven of Pentacles. Okay. So in the past, they were unable to make a decision for you, Aquarius. Maybe they were exploring other options. Okay, they were exploring other options, but they're coming towards you with the Page of Cup. I need to see that these two energies are same, but these two energies are same here. Okay, they're coming towards you with a small offer, a small sorry, Aquarius. I want to take a leap of faith with you and move in a forward direction, but there is some kind of, again, toxicity is attached with this Devil energy here. There is Seven of Pentacles, there is Ace of Cups, Two of Pentacles, and the Seven of Cups here. Maybe they were exploring other options other than you. They were trying, they were imbalanced, they were juggling a lot. Okay, but they want to give you emotional fulfillment here, but some kind of toxicity is attached. And why there is attached? Because maybe they are exploring other options. They were not committed to you in the past, but now they are committed to you, Aquarius. Now they are they're making a decision towards you, and they're rushing towards you, Aquarius. They're rushing towards you. They're coming towards you. In the past, maybe they were unable to make a decision. Yeah, right now you cannot be able to see right now, because this is the slowest energy here. But now they are coming. Can you clarify me, Ten of Pentacles? Wow. See, Knight of Cup, and bottom of the deck I'm having Ace of Swords. Now they're getting the clarity. Now they're getting the clarity, Aquarius. Here I'm having Knight of Cup and the Ten of Pentacles and Knight of Cup. They are getting the clarity, and they know that you are the one with whom they are want to get settled, with whom they are want to have the happily ever after, the Ten of Cup and Ten of Pentacle, and they are very loyal and romantic one. In the past, maybe some kind of toxicity was attached, okay, with this person, but now they are very much clear in their head, basically. Okay, they are very much clear in the head. Clarify me the Judgment. What judgment is happening in Aquarius life? The Strength and the Judgment. And bottom of the deck, I'm again having the King of Swords. 1010 was the recording reading time. 10 of Swords, because in the past they were all swords which has been put in your bag. There were a lot of hurts and heartbreaks and everything, but you are keeping your strength, Aquarius. You are keeping your strength here. Judgment is being clarified by the Judgment and the Strength. And if you are keeping your strength, your patience, and you are asking the divine to get a judgment for you, and here the judgment is making for you, Aquarius. Okay, the judgment is here because you are keeping your strength. And what's the judgment here? The Sun, the new beginnings here. The new beginnings are coming for you. Clarify me, Magician. What is Aquarius manifesting? Clarify me, Magician. Okay. Magician is clarified by Magician and the Emperor. Okay. Aquarius, you are manifesting the divine counterpart in your life, and the Wheel of Fortune is moving in your favor. Okay. The third party situation is going to end in your life. That there is death here, and you are using your intuitions. Very good. The Wheel of Fortune is moving in your favor. You are manifesting your divine counterpart in your life. There is an Emperor here. You're manifesting your divine counterpart and you're receiving it. Wow. Wow. I just cut it out and here it is. You are dealing with your divine counterpart. The divine is making a judgment for you. And here it is. The Emperor and the Empress both are here. You are manifesting it, Aquarius. You are manifesting your divine counterpart. Beautiful. Here the Magician and the Emperor. You're manifesting it and you're receiving it, Aquarius. Clarify me, Queen of Cups. Clarify me, Queen of Cups. Seven of Swords, the Wheel of Fortune, the 10 of Swords, the King of Swords, the 8 of Pentacles, and the Judgment is here. So there were some lies, cheating, manipulation which was happening with you, Aquarius, in the past. But the Wheel of Fortune is moving in your favor. Again, there is 10 of Swords. There is a completion of Swords, okay? And you are rising as King of Swords because you are putting lots of efforts, time, energy here. And you're getting your karmic justice. Okay, you're getting your karmic justice here. There were some energy of deception, lying, cheating, manipulation which was happening for you. But the Wheel of Fortune is moving in your favor, okay? There was a lot of swords energy here, the 10 of Swords. There is a completion of Swords which was, they put you all the swords in your bag. But you were rising as a King of Swords here again. That's why you are feeling stuck and you are unable to move in a forward direction. Because maybe you were putting lots of efforts and time and energy, okay, in this relationship. But now the karmic justice is being served in your case. Okay, now the karmic justice is being served in your case. Clarify me, 5 of Swords. See, 6 of Swords has here. Bottom of the deck, again I'm having Temperance. You are keeping your patience, your temperance with you. Whatever conflicts are happening around you, Aquarius, you will come towards the calmer waters here. You are coming towards the calmer waters and you are overcoming all the conflicts. Whatever conflicts were there, it's going to end because you're coming towards the calmer waters here. 6 of Swords and 6 of Swords is here. Beautiful. 6 of Swords and 6 of Wands both. You're getting success, recognition, victory, and you're coming towards the calmer waters. Clarify me, 6 of Swords. Not 6 of Swords, 6 of Wands. Clarify me, 6 of Wands. What is 6 of Wands? 3 of Cups and World card. Bottom of the deck, I'm having 6 of Pentacles. Whatever third party situation was there in the past, that is going to end because here I'm having the World card. that is going to end. You're completing a cycle. The World card is here, and there is ending of a cycle. Now there will be an equal amount of give and take. There will be an equal amount of give and take here. The Six of Pentacles is here. Okay, there is a completion of the cycle. Okay, and you will move towards in a forward direction. The Chariot is here. Okay, clarify me Six of Swords. Why there is Six of Swords? Clarify Six of Swords. Communication is coming towards you. Right now you are unable to make a decision, Aquarius. Some of you Aquarius are unable to make a decision. Two of Swords is here. But do not worry. There is communication which is coming towards you. Lots of communication is coming towards you. There is Eight of Wands and there is Lovers. From your lover, from your divine counterpart. 1551 was the recording reading time. And after this communication, you will come towards the calmer waters. Okay, there is Lovers here. Beautiful. Lots of communication is coming towards you through social media. Maybe you will, there may be lots of messages on WhatsApp, okay, on Messenger or on Facebook or Instagram. Maybe you will talk to them on phone. Okay, 1616 was the recording reading time, but the communication is coming towards you, and there is a Lovers here. This is your divine counterpart. Can you see how beautiful it is? There are new beginnings in your life. There are new happy beginnings again, Aquarius, in your life, in your love life. There you will receive your 10 of Cups. This is your lover. Right now, maybe you are unable to make a decision, but you will be able to make a decision, Aquarius. Why there is 7 of Cups? Ten of Pentacles, Four of Swords, Hermit, and Three of Pentacles. Because there were some in the past there were third party situation which was involved in your situation, Aquarius. Now again the Hermit has come. Hermit, Four of Swords, and Ten of Pentacles is here. So you are resting and rejuvenating yourself. You are doing your inner work. Can you see here? Hermit is here again. Okay, you're doing your Hermit inner work. You are working on yourself. You are looking your answers from within yourself, that what my souls want, and you are resting and rejuvenating yourself. Whatever the situation was, there was some kind of third party situation, because here I'm having 10 of Pentacles again. Okay, don't be in this energy of 5 of Cups. Bottom of the decks I'm having 5 of Cups. Don't focus on the fallen cups. Don't focus on the things which has already happened in the past. Okay, just focus that there are 2 cups which are waiting for you. Okay, clarify me, Hermit. There were some secrets which was hidden from you, Aquarius. There is Moon and there is Tower. Again the Tower is here. Something is shaking up your life. This is the divine intervention. This is divine. That's why I told you that this connection, I am seeing that this divine is taking care of. Lot of divine energy is here. Divine is taking care of you. Some unexpected changes are happening for you. Okay, which are necessary to happen. Okay, some of you Aquarius are right now happy, single, enjoying their singlehood. 9 of Pentacles and 9 of Cups. You want your wish fulfillment in your life, and you will receive it, Aquarius. You will receive it. Do not worry at all. Okay, you will receive it. Why there is Temperance? Ace of Swords. You will get your clarity. You're keeping your patience. You want clarity in your life, basically, and you will receive your clarity, Aquarius. There is Ace of Swords. With this divine intervention, something unexpected changes are coming towards you, but do not worry at all. With this unexpected changes, whatever is crumbling down, because it was not built on solid foundation, divine is doing this so that you can get your answers, you can get your clarity. You will get it, and you will receive your equal amount of give and take. Okay, clarify me Page of Cups. Clarify me Page of Cups. This is your divine counterpart. They're coming towards you. Maybe right now you are unable to see right now, Aquarius, because this is the slowest energy in the tarot deck. Right now you are enjoying your singlehood here. Can you see? There is star, there is 9 of pentacle, there is high priestess. You're hoping for new hopes and new desires. You are using your intuitions. You are enjoying your singlehood. You are saying that I'm abundant, I'm single, I'm abundant, I'm enjoying my singlehood. But they are coming towards you. Maybe right now you cannot see right now, but they are the wish fulfillment, Aquarius, for you. This is 9 of cup here. It was here the 8 of cup, and here I'm getting 9 of cups. They, either you are the wish fulfillment for them, or they are the wish fulfillment for you. And this is your divine counterpart. I'm having 4 of wands, king of wands, and the chariot. They want to move in a forward direction, Aquarius, with you here. They want to move in a forward direction. This is someone who is very passionate, very attractive, okay, and this is your divine counterpart, and this is your wish fulfillment, or you are the wish fulfillment for them, okay. Clarify me page of wands, five of cups, and ace of wands. See, again there is, maybe there is they are igniting your passion, Aquarius. They're giving you passionate new beginnings, but you are focusing on those things which has been already happened in the past. 2121 was the recording reading time. Do not be in this energy of sad, guilt, remorse on those things which has already happened in the past. They're igniting your passion, okay. There is page of wands, and there is page of wands has been clarified by ace of wands and 5 of cups. So do not be in that energy of 5 of cups, okay. I know you are carrying lots of burdens on your shoulders. Bottom of the deck I'm having 10 of wands. That's why there is world card here, because there is 10 of swords, there is 10 of wands, but you're getting success. Again 6 of wands is here. You're getting success again in completing the cycle, basically, okay, in getting removed all the burdens and all the swords from your life, basically. Why there is 3 of pentacles? Bottom of the deck I'm having Empress, Hierophant, and 5 of pentacles. You move in a forward direction. You left this situation or this person or this condition and move in a forward direction, Aquarius. This is you, the Empress, and either you were married to this person or you were committed to this person, okay. You were committed to this person for a long period of time, or you were married to this person. There is Hierophant here, but you left out this person and move in a forward direction. The 5 of pentacles is here because of the third party situation, okay, because of the conflicts, because of the lying, cheating, manipulation in the past, okay. But this is your divine counterpart here. I'm having Emperor and the Empress both. You were married to this person either. See, these two wants to come out. 5 of wands and the Temperance, because there were a lot of fighting, arguments, drama around this person, but you were keeping your temperance, you were keeping your patience, and you left out. The 5 of pentacles was there, so either you left out this person and move in a forward direction, 5 of pentacles is there, or you leave the situation behind and move in a forward direction. But now they know, Aquarius, now they know that you are the one. After exploring options and all, see, they know that you are the one, okay. Let's see what are the messages from the divine for my lovely Aquarius. And can you see here, the sun is here. You're getting new beginning in your life, Aquarius. You're getting new beginning in your life, in either you are married to this person or you are committed to this person. And this is the love of your life, Aquarius. This is the divine counterpart of you. They want to give you 10 of cups, okay. There is someone who wants to move in your forward direction. The Chariot is here. They are very passionate, okay, very passionate towards you, and they are very attracted towards you. You are keeping your strength with you. They are igniting your passion. They are coming towards you here, but do not be in this energy of 5 of cups, okay. Do not be in this energy of 5 of cups. And they are igniting your passion, basically. Maybe you are having lots of options to choose, or they are having lots of options to choose, okay. but now they are deciding it and they're coming towards you here. There is Knight of Cup, and they want to give you beautiful things. You are manifesting your divine counterpart, and some unexpected changes are happening for you. There is a Tower movement which is taking place in your life. After that Tower movement, you will get your clarity. Okay, the justice will be served in your case. There is a karmic justice which will be served in your case. Okay, then there is, you will come towards the karma waters, and you just completing a cycle which you need to complete. Okay, there is a World card here. You will come towards the karma waters. Let's see what is the advice from the divine, from the universe for my lovely Aquarius. Please give me the advice. 10 of Swords, Knight of Cup. Give me the advice. What is the advice for Aquarius? What is the advice? Ten of Swords, Knight of Cup, 3 of Pentacles, 7 of Wands again. Your defenses are very much high. You are defending, your defenses are very much high. Maybe you are protecting yourself, grounding yourself. This is a Knight of Cup again is here. They put all the swords in your back. There is 10 of Swords, and here I am having 10 of Wands again. So there is a completion here, Aquarius. There is a completion, but you are guarding yourself. Your defenses are too much high. You are being very self-defensive. This is your lover. Again, the lover has come. The lover is here. See, you are feeling restricted, stuck in and feeling like an hangman. Okay, you are feeling like an hangman, but you are rising as an empress here. There is an hangman, there is lovers here again. This is your lover, this is your divine counterpart. The lovers, okay. This is your divine counterpart which you are dealing with. Right now you are feeling like an hangman. You are unable to move in a forward direction, Aquarius. There is this restricted energy, and you are rising as an empress. Let me see any other advice from the divine. Any other... You are unable to make a decision. Two of Swords and Knight of Swords again. But you know the truth. You know the truth, and you are unable to make a decision right now. Again, there's Two of Swords. Queen of Swords wants to come out. You are dealing with your divine counterpart, Aquarius. There is Knight of Swords. There is Queen of Swords. Queen of Swords wants to come out. Okay. 1 minute. Any other advice? You are resting and rejuvenating yourself. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Queen of Wands. You are resting and rejuvenating yourself. Here I'm having King of Wands and Queen of Wands. This is your divine counterpart. You are healing. You are completing your... See, Six of Pentacles, the Moon. 8 of Swords. 6 of Cups. This person is from your past. You both know each other, and this is your soulmate here. The 6 of Cups is there. This is not a new energy. This is someone who is from your past. 6 of Pentacles, the Moon, and 8 of Swords. You are unable to move in a forward direction right now, but do not worry. You will move in a forward direction. There is a Chariot here again. You will move in a forward direction, that because you know what is right and what is wrong for you. You know what is the difference between black and white. Okay. This was the advice from the divine. Okay, so do not worry at all, Aquarius. Now let's start yours. Let's summarize your reading. You will come towards the karma waters for sure. There is 6 of Swords here 2 times. You're getting new beginning for you. Some of you Aquarius are feeling restricted. You are holding back a lot. Okay, you are holding back a lot. You're feeling stuck. You're feeling like a hangman. Do not worry at all, because you will come towards the karma waters. The sun is here. There is communication which is coming towards you from the person which you left out. Okay, either you left out them in the past, but now they're coming back. Okay, you are doing your soul searching, you are working on yourself, you're taking the energy of hermit. Okay, you're looking answers from within your soul, and that's very good, Aquarius. You're resting and rejuvenating yourself, and you are manifesting it. You are manifesting your divine counterpart here. The manifestation is here. Okay, and the Emperor is here. You're manifesting it, and the justice is being served in your case. You're just completing a karmic cycle which you need to complete, but this is your divine counterpart which I can see here. Okay, there are some unexpected changes which are coming for you. Okay, this is your divine counterpart. This is your divine counterpart. Do not worry at all. Okay, here I'm having King of Cup and Queen of Cup. This is someone who is your divine counterpart. This is someone who is your divine counterpart. Okay, I told you that. So this was your reading, extended love reading for January. You will get your clarity. You will get your clarity. Do not worry. Some kind of judgment is making. The divine is making your judgment. Okay, the divine is making your judgment. There is judgment here twice. Because you're keeping your strength with you. You are keeping your strength with you, and you are moving in a forward direction from the conflicts and the toxicity which was there in the past in your relationship. But now they're coming towards you, Aquarius. They're coming towards you. They want to start a new happy life with you. Okay. There is Knight of Cup and Knight of Cup again here 2 times. So this was your extended love reading for January 2021. I hope it resonates with you. If it doesn't resonate with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius, and take whatever is resonating according to your situation, according to your condition. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel so that you can get all the important messages which are important for you. Sending you lots of love and light and happiness to all my Aquarius all over the world. Take care of yourself, Aquarius, and see you soon.